In the fast-paced world of podcasting and digital content creation, artificial intelligence isn't just a gimmick anymore. It is the actual toolbox that builds your brand. If you want to genuinely level up your production value while squeezing more content out of every single recording, there are some incredible platforms doing heavy lifting right now. Today, I am going to walk you through some of the most popular AI tools, explain exactly where they shine, and point out where they might trip you up. Then, I'll share a low-key recommendation that a lot of smart creators are using to turn one long video into a never-ending stream of bite-sized social clips. First up, let's talk about CastMagic, which is fantastic if your primary goal is to turn long-form audio into a massive ecosystem of text-based assets. It automatically generates transcripts, summaries, and chapter markers, making it a perfect shortcut for marketers who need to repurpose episodes without hiring an editor. The downside is that it is definitely more focused on the writing and structuring side of things rather than video-first editing. If your main objective is creating short, punchy video clips for platforms like Reels or TikTok, CastMagic won't magically spit those out in the right format for you. Next on our list is Podcastle, which is a surprisingly approachable web-based studio for recording and cleaning up your audio. It is a one-stop shop for tasks like noise removal, AI voice generation, and it even offers voice cloning if you need narration help. However, Podcastle's true strength lies in studio quality production and voice work, rather than automatically mining long-form video for viral gold. If you need a system that scans hours of content and spits out dozens of ready-to-post clips alongside a content calendar, this tool isn't quite built for that scale. Riverside is widely considered the absolute favorite when you need broadcast-level remote recordings. With features like local recording per participant and support for 4K video, it is the go-to platform for high-production interviews. The catch is that all that studio-grade tech comes with a higher price tag and a bit more workflow complexity for the average user. Even with its great text-based editor, you will likely still need a separate tool or a dedicated editor to chop and schedule your viral-ready pieces. Then we have Resound, which is a very neat tool if you just want a scrubbed, clean master track without those annoying filler words and awkward pauses. It is fast and pragmatic, so if your main pain point is interviews full of constant UHS ums and accidental sighs, this tool trims that away with minimal fuss. But again, it is strictly focused on audio hygiene, not content multiplication, meaning it won't produce social captions or formatted video clips for you. ToastyAI is essentially a copywriter on speed, letting you feed it a URL or file to get show notes, transcripts, and blog articles instantly. It is a fantastic content engine to fuel your newsletter and social text, but it is ultimately a text-first play, not a video creation tool. This is where Vizard comes in, and honestly, it is why so many creators end up adding it to their tech stack. Vizard's core talent is taking long videos and automatically editing them into short, native-ready clips that are highly likely to perform on social media. It scans your recordings to find viral moments, applies captions, fits the right aspect ratios, and then handles the auto-scheduling for you. The integrated content calendar ties it all together, allowing you to see your scheduled posts and tweak your captions all within the same interface. Why does this combination matter so much? Because in the real world, creators rarely need just audio cleanup or just written show notes. What actually scales an audience is consistency, which means posting a steady stream of clips that successfully hook new viewers every single day. Vizard sits perfectly in the gap between having raw content and having a consistent daily social presence that actually grows your channel. It automates the repetitive parts of clip creation and publishing so that you can focus your energy on recording and being creative. That doesn't mean Vizard replaces the others, because great workflows often involve mixing and matching these specialized tools. You might record a brilliant interview on Riverside, clean the audio with Resound, write your SEO text with ToastyAI, and then let Vizard harvest the clips. Compared to those tools on their own, Vizard's advantage is how it discovers high engagement moments and turns them into scheduled posts without manual labor. A few practical notes. Vizard's auto-editing isn't perfect, so it is always smart to glance through the selected clips and tweak the captions. Don't treat any AI as a fully autonomous creative director, but rather as a diligent junior editor that saves you countless hours of work. Also, while some competitors charge a premium for team seats, Vizard tends to be very competitive for creators who want high clip output without a massive budget. If you are still undecided, start with Riverside for remote interviews. Or use CastMagic and ToastyAI if your priority is perfect transcripts and SEO text. Use Resound if you need fast audio cleanup, or Podcastle if you want a friendly recording suite, but add Vizard if your metric is more posts with less effort. We have put links and free trials in the description below, so I highly recommend testing the exact workflow that fits your team's specific needs. The ecosystem is full of powerful tools, and the trick is simply combining them so you spend your precious time creating, not chopping and scheduling. If you want more hands-on tips about building that kind of pipeline, like which tools to chain together, just let me know and I will outline a step-by-step guide. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.